my breakfast: yogurt, grapes, cinnamon, ginger, and a little bit of vanilla. I've come to the conclusion a long time ago, it's hard to do things on your own. It is. Going out to the movies, going out to get a bite to eat, a Chinese restaurant you've never been into, go camping alone, play guitar alone, sing alone, arts and crafts. But I've just got to freaking do it sometimes. All I want to do is just sit and listen to music, play music, and doodle on my iPad. But I gotta get out there too, of course, besides work. I just don't like to reference work when I'm speaking about this stuff, because it's not something that's important when it comes to these terms of art and creation and what I love to do. So we all know we all work. That's why I don't speak about work here. So speaking about all on my own terms, what do I do in this moment? It's so hard to get your butt up and do something, especially I can't get my ass outside. I would if I could, but it's freezing. I don't have the stuff to go out there for a hike right now. It would be miserable. Probably do me some good, but it would be miserable. So I'm gonna get my butt up here and get this little project going. I'm excited to show you what it is. Deep down into the dungeon. Careful, there's ghosts in here. I'm not sure if they're friend or foe. So here I got some of my stuff that I don't have space to, run and operate yet. I got boombox, my drum set, little aquarium, my bow, keyboard and stuff, and then I've got some prints for like fabrics to make some things, and then things that I've collected. So feathers, bones, driftwood, stuff from outdoors, some really cool old barbed wire, some containers that I found, old mason jars, whatever. But then in this bag, this is what we've got today. This, you'll never guess what this is. This is a raccoon. I've been putting this off for so long, but you get the gist of it. I had showed a little video of this before in the past, but we're gonna separate this out fully, actually. So really, it's gonna be a matter of taking little bits off like this, then separating out, because I'm sure there's a lot of tiny little bones in here too. So it's gonna take me a little bit. This has been, it's basically been sitting for, it's probably a 2-year-old carcass now at this point or so. So it's really, I don't know, completely, there's nothing decaying or decomposing at this point. As you can tell, it's all just kind of the hair, bones, and grass. Really, it's kind of weird. But I want to be able to see if I got all the bones. When I found this piece, I was in the driftless area, and I tried to get every little bone that I could from it to hopefully reconstruct the whole thing. So fingers crossed that we do have these. All right, yeah, so like in here, we've got different vertebrae pieces. Ooh. And then all kinds of tiny little joints and bones like this too. So I'm assuming that we've got some fingers in there, tiny little bones for the feet. So in here we got, oh, poor baby, we got a claw. This is sad. It's kind of sad doing this. Ooh, here's the really cool piece. Cool. Wow, beautiful. And then looks like here we've got just about the entire tail intact. Wow. That's beautiful. We got his hand right there. You learn to live, no strings attached. You learn to live, no strings attached. Tell me that I do it best. 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 Do it best. Do it best. I don't know how many there are, but if I assume there's like 12 or 16 little bones in there in that foot, maybe I've got all the feet. Got a bunch of these small little joints, vertebras. You know, these are going to be joints in between legs, shoulders, the feet for some of these smaller ones. We've got leg bones here and here as well. So these are like, I would assume that these are like the conjoining bones for the forearms and the legs. I don't know any of these terms. I am not a Scientologist, because Scientology is a real thing. I'm not a scientist. I'm not any of this stuff. But yeah, I think we got this stuff put together. Now I'm going to clean up, organize it, and then I think I'm going to set aside like cleaning all of the bones and numbering them and everything, or figuring out where they are a different day. This is really fun though. I love doing this kind of stuff. It makes me appreciate the animal and respect where it came from. And I always apologize that it met its maker at the side of a road, which is really sad and unfortunate. To be honest and frank, we shouldn't, yeah, it just sucks, you know, poor animal. But hopefully here I can do something cool with it. I already took some pictures along the way. We've got a video of it as well. And maybe we can do something cool with this. So I'm not sure if I have all the pieces, if I end up having a bunch of them where I can do something meaningful with it. I will see if I can, you know, make some sort of, I don't know if I'm going to do like a natural pose with it, or if I'm going to have it standing up like Rocket from Guardians of the Galaxy. What I imagine, there's a little Disney statue at Disney where he's, you know, just standing straight up, and that's Rocket, the raccoon. And so I might do that as well, because that's kind of my thing. I love Rocket. In fact, when I have a dog of my own one day, I want to name it Rocket and be like Rocket Dog, who hangs out with me and stuff. So maybe a robot dog too, that'd be cool as well. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty fun. Let me know, drop a comment, of course, like whoever's watching this right now, if you enjoyed this kind of stuff, let me know. Send a picture if you can anywhere on some other projects that you've been working on. Send me a picture of other projects you've been working on as well, and I love to see stuff like that. So the only reason I do this is to share it with others, so others can share with me as well. So that's where we are. I just reminded myself I have to go get guitar strings in town, but it's definitely cold out and I don't want to drive, but also maybe a nice little drive would be good too. So we're gonna maybe head over to Dave's guitar shop today, pick up some guitar strings, and get that all in order. Legs, skull, jawbones, breastplate, I don't know, and then vertebrae, remaining ones, and then the feet. So here we go. Nice, that feels good. I'm glad I got that done. And I got one leaf. I'm just gonna sneak right there. Car warm up a little bit. Let's go get our guitar strings. Strings acquired. And we got to listen to some music while we were there too. And y'all get to see my meal. I don't always make meals, but when I do, it's something like this. I got rice, beets, sweet potato, corn, dried veggies in there. And then put in some mango pickle, some garlic as well. And then we're gonna have a couple of tortillas. Let's heat them up right there real quick. Corn tortillas on there. Delicious, just as I predicted. All right, that's really going to be it for today. I've got nothing else interesting happening. Not that anything interesting happened in this video, but if I were to leave on an interesting note, something that I learned today, let me think about that. What did I learn today? I learned that the end result of each day isn't necessarily what matters. What matters in the end is that you're happy, healthy, and you're out there doing your best. That's where I'm at. Nothing else interesting happened. That's it. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the flip side.